What's up guys? Welcome back to Everyday Unboxing. My name is Chris and today we're going to be unboxing this ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo from ProtoArc. Now I just recently bought a new PC and I've been looking all around for a good keyboard and mouse combo that's very affordable but also works well. ProtoArc reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to unbox and review this on my channel. And who am I to say no, especially because I'm in need of a keyboard and mouse combo. So this came at just the perfect time. So the model of this is the EKM01 and it's supposed to be a multi-device keyboard and mouse combo. Now from a specs perspective, the mouse itself can switch between DPIs of 800, 1300, and 2000. So, depending on, what you're comfortable with, you can switch between the speed of the cursor of the mouse. Now this is a wireless mouse and keyboard combo and it does use the 2.4 gigahertz band in order to connect to your PC. It does say there are battery capacity, so I'm not sure if these are rechargeable or if they require batteries, but we'll find out in a little bit. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this and see what this thing comes with. As you can see, I guess during shipping the box got beat up a little bit, but hopefully the products inside or the keyboard and mouse inside is not damaged at all. Okay, so the keyboard first, of course, looks like a pretty nice black keyboard and it's got this nice leather-like material for the armrest. Special buttons up here, looks like it's wireless Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2 stand out as they're orange buttons, which differs from the rest of the keys. So if you're one of those people that likes the noisier keyboards, then this one's probably not the one for you. I myself, however, love these quiet keyboards, so this is just perfect. And the buttons are pretty soft to the touch when you press them, so that's always pretty nice. Okay, so there is an on-off switch on the bottom. So it does look like this does have an internal battery and does not require you to insert batteries. And there is a USB-C port at the top, which means that you can just recharge this keyboard whenever you need to. You get your user manual, which basically probably just tells you how to set it up and what all the different features are, what all the different keys are, which we'll go ahead and look at a little bit later. Then from the mouse perspective, you've also got that black-orange tone to it with the function button in the middle as an orange color button. And then you do have 3 additional buttons at the thumb area, which is always nice. And this looks like this is also rechargeable because it's also got a USB-C port on it. Again, it also has a on-off switch on the bottom. Now the mouse itself also does feel very solid. And actually when you press the buttons, it doesn't really make a lot of noise as well. So that's pretty nice as well. So I do like the feel of this mouse. Now when it comes to the wheel, it rotates pretty smooth, so that's also nice. And it's got this little grippy feel to it so that your fingers don't slip off of it. And then of course also with this comes your USB-C charging cable. I guess my only complaint for this is that there's only one USB-C cable and 2 devices. So that means if they both die at the same time, you have to charge them one at a time, unless you have additional USB-C cables. Luckily I do, but I guess that's a piece of feedback. And probably one of the things that is a little bit disappointing is that it only does come with one USB-C cable. Anyways, let's go ahead and plug this in and see how well this thing works. Okay, so I did switch the keyboard and mouse on, and what's nice and what I noticed about this when I was setting this up and going through the user manual is that these orange buttons represent the 3 ways you can connect. And what's nice about these connections is you can switch between a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection or 2 different Bluetooth connections, meaning that you can connect multiple devices to this keyboard and mouse and then just switch to the different devices by pressing the corresponding buttons. So for example, if I was to connect this with my main PC, I can just program that PC to Bluetooth 1 and then I could program another PC to Bluetooth 2, and in order to switch between those 2 systems I just need to press those buttons. Now to pair, you press this little button on the side of the mouse and you can switch between the different modes as well, which is different from the keyboard. So even the mouse can pair and connect to 3 different devices as well, which is always nice. Okay, so in order to pair it, all you have to do is press this mode button to wherever you want to pair it to, and then press and hold the button and it'll enter pairing mode. And then once you do that, you'll automatically see on your screen that it pops up as the ProtoArc mouse. And then you click on that and it's ready to go, and then it works flawlessly. So as you can see, the mouse is working right now. And then same thing for the keyboard. If I'm going to pair this to Bluetooth 1, well, let's go ahead and add this device first. And then you'll just press and hold this Bluetooth 1 button, and then you'll see on the screen the ProtoArc keyboard, which then you connect and the device is ready to go. So very quick and responsive. So lots of options. Let's go ahead and test these devices out. So as you can see right now, I've got my other channel on the screen, but scrolling is fairly responsive and works very well. I can go backward and forward. If I want to type something, I can type something. So let me pull up Word real quick, Microsoft Word, and let's see how responsive it is. So as you can see, this is also very responsive. And the keys are very quiet. And I just like the way this little armrest feels. It's very cushiony, but it's also not sticky, and it's comfortable, and it just supports the wrist perfectly. And then the other thing is, because this is an ergonomic keyboard, my hands are comfortable at the angle that they're sitting when it comes to typing. And then from a mouse perspective, you'll notice that when I click on the mouse, it is very quiet. So as you can see, very little noise at all, but also very responsive. Let's see what other options there are. Now the quietness of the keyboard is due to the scissor key switches, which holds the keys onto the keyboard. So what's also good about this keyboard and mouse combo is that fully charged, both of them should last you up to 100 hours or up to 90 days. Now the other good thing about this is the keyboard and mouse also have a 6-month standby time. So if you weren't to use this keyboard or mouse, it could sit there for 6 months without running out of power. Now what that means is you will rarely have to charge this keyboard and mouse, and even then, it only takes a couple hours to fully charge both of them. Anyways, this is a short video because this is just a mouse and keyboard combo. Now from a pricing perspective, you can buy this keyboard and mouse combo off of ProtoArc's website for about $110. Now from a pricing perspective, you can buy this keyboard and mouse combo off of ProtoArc's website for about $110. And comparatively, that is a lot cheaper than those more well-known brands like Logitech, where the mice and keyboard combos cost upwards of $200 for the same functions. And remember, this can support up to 3 systems as well, so that's always a nice feature. Now if you are interested in buying this keyboard and mouse combo for yourself, I will leave my referral link in the description section below. That in itself will help this channel grow. Using my link will help my channel continue to grow and will allow me to continue making better content for you, so I appreciate it. Anyways, at the end of the day, I think this is a great keyboard. I think the build quality is great. I think the functionality of allowing you to connect up to 3 devices is an amazing feature. And then I just like the overall quietness of the keyboard and the mouse itself, and then the price, of course, is very competitive. I also do love the feel of this leather wrist support, so that's another bonus. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed and found this video helpful. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon to get notified when I post new content. Until next time, see ya.